Hello, awesome teachers. This is Teacher Margaret, and today we're going to learn how to create our Bitmoji virtual class. And this is one I created for my Google Classroom. So this is me right here, and I have put all the details that you see here on this picture myself. So we're not going to create this one because this is already created, but I want to create a library. So I don't have any idea of what design do I want to have on my library. I just know that I want to create one. So let's just start from scratch, from the beginning. So let's just go now to SlideShare. SlideShare, slides here. Click on it. You open it. You open one. So this is your first one, so you don't need this, so you're going to delete the header and everything that you have here. So you have it like this, you have it empty. What we're going to do right now, we're going to go to insert image, and then we're going to search the web. So let's go and look for wall and floor background. And you can see your options here. And so I'm not sure if I like the options that I have here. So I would just go in the new tab and I will search for floor and wall background. I would choose that one. So let me just, you can either save image as. So if you want to save it, you just have to save it like this. Let's click on save. I don't want to save it, so what I will do, I will just copy and paste it here. Paste it. And there you go. Oops. Okay. There you go. I am resizing it. I think, yeah, I think it's already there. So this is going to be my background. So now I need to look for a blackboard or a whiteboard, and we're going to use transparent because I don't want it to have any background images. So let's see that one. Here we are. Okay, so I think we're going to use that one. So I don't know if you like it more in the middle, more here. This is going to be up to you, okay? So now that I have this, I would like to have a couch, of course. Or let me go for a sofa. But it depends on how you want it to look. So maybe this one. So you resize it, and then you need to resize this as well if you want everything to match inside. So if you want the sofa looking this way, you can do it. So you just have to click on the image, double click it, and rotate, and then you can rotate, flip either horizontally or vertically, or rotate counterclock. We can do flip. Okay, in that way it flipped, so it's looking to the other side. Now, for example, if you want to have it this way, if you want, you can have it that way. So I think I'm keeping it this way. There you go. So now I want to look for plant transparent. Here you have many options. I think I'm choosing this one for some reason. So copy image, here, paste. There you go. And you resize it. You can either have it this side, and you can click on having the image go back. You can have the image go back. You just have to click on the image order, and then send back. So in that way, the image is back. So here we have this already. So now, as it is going to be my library, so I need to find shelf. So let's see if I can find the shelves here on the bookshelves. So now I need to think about which type of shelves do I want. If I want to change the color because I don't like it, I click on the image and then I go to format and then I go to recolor. So then I can see here how many different colors do we have. No, I don't like that one either. One that matches. Yeah. Okay, so now I don't want the shelf to be looking to that side. So I click on the image again and I click on order now and rotate. So it's going to flip to the other side. So let me see. Oh, you know what? I don't want this so far. So search from web. I don't know. That I would like to have something like this for sure. I want to have something like this. And then I can have this sofa here. So I will have to change the sofa color. Okay, in this way. So I can move this a little bit here. And I can have the plant there, of course. Yes, now here we go. So then I can have a small shelf. Let's see this one, how small it is. Okay, yes, because I want to have like plenty of places where I can have books, as this is going to be my library. So let me just move the floor, move this a little to the front. Exactly. There you go. So, my next question will be, what if I have a picture that is not transparent? If the image is not PNG, is not transparent, I would say I will search for a background removal. And then I will, and I will go to this page, which is the background removal. Click on the image, click on save. I plant. Then I go here, I upload the image. It opens right away, so I saved it as plant. So I have other plants here that I have saved for other job. So if I happen to want this one specifically, I just upload it and voila, here it is. I can download it or I can drag it there. You can do it the way is easier for you. So I'll go to upload image from computer. Then I go and I find my plant. And it's this one that says plant remove it. So the ones that is removed will always have this longer name. So I click on open and there I have my plan. And now I need to find posters for with positive messages for my students. So let's go classroom posters of reading. So I'd like to this one, open a book, growth your mind. I can either screenshot and have a picture taken. I can do that from my MacBook. I click on Command Shift number 4 and I can have a picture taken. So I think it saves time. So look where it is. So I want this one as well. So I go back, image, upload from computer. And then I need to go to my desktop, which I happen to have on my screenshot. So you go. If I happen to want to have a frame, I just have to click on the image and then just click on how big I want the frame to be. And then I want to change the color. So I want a white one. So look, I just did a frame. So you can do that if you want to create a board, you can just do that. So you go shape, you go to square if you want it square or rectangle. In that way it would be a rectangle. So then you do the same, you go this, you can leave it black or you can leave it white, you can change the color, and that's how you can have a board created. And if you want to create some messages, so you just go here and you will have messages, different things that you can add to your classroom. So now I don't need another board because I have one. Okay, so here I have this so far. So now I want to put books in here as I want my students to listen to books that I have created myself. I am going to search for the cover of those books. One book is I Don't Eat Bugs. So here is the cover. So we'll just screenshot it. Have it. The other one is Pomodoro. Pomodoro makes a friend. So that's another book. So I can do an example. So now, imagine that this is going to be my classroom. I will put more books, of course. I will write down my morning message here, which I click here. I can add my morning message. So to add a Bitmoji, you need to go to your Google search and you need to click on bitmoji.com. As I have it on my iPad, I just had to log in here. So that you need to click on login, and then when you click on login, you need to add it as an add up button. When you finish adding it, it will look like this, the icon. So I just go back to my slide. I click on my Bitmoji, add that button, and then I just have to click on something that's right. Read, for example. Read, 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 read. So here I think I have it in Spanish. So I don't think, okay, here I have more options. Let me see how it looks if I flip it. I don't know. I can either. So now you will learn how to add a clickable link or video. In that way, it will be a video. Click on insert, and you can go to video. And as I will like to insert one from my YouTube channel, and let's click to this one. So let's open it, and let's click on share the link. Go here, paste it, search it. There it is. Click on it to select it. Select, and there it is. That will be a video.